Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the trailer lights. We're talking about turn signal lights, stop lights, brake lights, tail lights on trailers, on Jeep Grand Cherokee that generation. If your lights do not work, please do not waste money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the trailer lights, turn signal, brake lights, stop lights, tail lights, which fuses, relays we need to check. I'm to show you guys on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, depending on the year model, you may have up to 2 different types of fuse boxes. We'll explain about both. Make sure to stay until the end. What do we guys need to do now? We need to open the hood, and when you face the engine, on the left side is the main engine fuse box here. Open that cover, guys. Underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this is 2011 to 2013 year model. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys have 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, we will explain about that one first, and then the next one. We need to check fuse number J3, guys. Okay, J3, we're talking about this fuse right here, J3. Then you need to check fuse J14, right here, that one. You also, guys, need to check relay K6. You see that relay? You need to check it there, guys. Next, 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked, and we're talking about first fuse number F11. If you have the original brake trailer module, trailer brake controller, you have that fuse right here, okay, F11. You need to check fuse number F28. You have another fuse right here. We didn't have that option, unfortunately. F29 will be right here. You will need to check that one. And you need to check fuse number F30 right here. Next, you need to locate fuse number F53. So this is 50, 1, 2, 3. You have a fuse right there, F53. Next, you need to check fuse number 81. 81 is for different functions as well, but one of those is for the trailers. It's right here, 81. And you need to check fuse number 87 right here, fuse number 87 as well, guys. So all these fuses, all these relays will need to be checked if you need to fix problems with your trailer module or trailer lights. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.